this, I am just drizzling some pure maple syrup right on top of those pecans. This is all in my air fryer. You just need about 2 tablespoons of your maple syrup in there. Now we're coming in with some butter, and we're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of butter into this as well, all in my air fryer. This is gonna be such an easy and delicious pecan candy. Oh yeah. Now to help with that candied effect, I have some brown sugar, and we're gonna put that right in there. Don't worry about it coming out in clumps, because we are gonna give this a good mix. Now this is optional, but I have some cinnamon, and I just like to add that little flavor. Reminds me of Christmas, and it's just perfect on these pecans. Beautiful. Now, before we give this a mix, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bowl and a whisk here. We have one more thing we're gonna add into this air fryer, and it's just a little powdered sugar milk mixture. And we don't need a lot, just about, 1/3 a cup of powdered sugar, and then like a teaspoon of your milk preference. Perfect, that's probably maybe was too much milk, but we can always add some more powdered sugar. And we're just making a little icing to go in with those pecans in the air fryer. This is gonna be such a perfect little Christmas treat to add to your cookie boxes, to give to neighbors, put in stockings, however you wanna distribute this, or if you just want them for your household so that you can eat them up, that's totally fine as well, because they are gonna be so delicious. All right, that little icing came together super quick. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to get all of that mixture right into our air fryer. Now remember, we are gonna give this a mix, so do not worry about it being evenly distributed.
Whoa, this is only 5 ingredients too.
Yeah, it's just a couple of ingredients. And like I said, the cinnamon is optional, so it could be even less as well. Okay, that looks like perfect amount of icing. Okay, now we're gonna grab our gingerbread man and give this a nice good mix. Get that brown sugar well incorporated. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be like delicious little candied pecans just in your air fryer. So much quicker than the oven. But obviously if you do not have an air fryer, you can use this exact same recipe in the oven and you'll get the same results. Ooh, yeah, it's just gonna take a little bit longer in the oven. So just make sure we get that little, do you see that like gooey,
like
mixture?
caramel.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, and we're gonna roast these pecans and they're just gonna be delicious. Okay, go ahead, pop our air fryer in, turn it on. Air fryer 400 is perfect, and this is only gonna be in there for 5 minutes, you guys. Oh, call me crazy.
Super fast.
The quickest Christmas candy ever. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Let's check them out. Oh, look at that sizzle. Oh, yeah, okay. So we are gonna transfer all of these to our sheet pan here with all of that juice. Oh, yeah.
Sizzling.
Put that on there. Let's put this back in there. And spread this out. Oh, my goodness. Just get them spread out so that they don't stick to each other as they harden.
Look, they're like roasted.
Yeah, that's what we wanted. My house smells amazing right now because of this recipe. Now, this is optional as well, but I'm gonna add a little bit of salt because I love salty and sweet. Beautiful. Okay, guys, we're gonna pop this in the fridge for 1 hour. All right, so these were in the fridge for 1 hour and they are ready. Oh my gosh, they're so gooey and delicious. This is exactly what we wanted. Serve them on our Christmas tree platter. They are a little sticky, so be careful. Oh yeah, this looks so good. Okay, I need to try it right now. Let's hear that crunch. Mmm. Mmm. You guys have to try them. Amazing.